Now, the issue of climate change is one that the whole world recognises needs to be addressed. And the telecoms industry has a significant role to play, not just in how it cleans up its own game, but how it enables other sectors to do so too. Well, with me to discuss this in more detail is Summer Chen from ZTE. Summer, great to see you.
Justin, nice to meet you.
Thanks for joining us, Summer. The mobile industry, of course, is busy rolling out 5G networks right now, but there is some concern that these new networks will require even greater energy use than previous generations of mobile technology. How can the industry address these concerns, Summer?
We are concerned about the energy consumption of 5G networks. But meanwhile, we also have to take the increasing market demands into consideration. In 5G area, the network's demand for capacity has increased sharply. But under the circumstance of large traffic, the energy consumption per bit for 5G is only 1/10 of 4G. So if people were still using earlier generation technologies instead of 5G, and still hoping to meet these growing demands of data traffic, the energy cost of network should be even much higher. So moreover, the deployment of 5G networks will gradually transfer users to these more powerful networks. So this refarming process will reduce the power consumption of earlier generation low efficiency infrastructures and increase the entire operator network's efficiency. The operators will be happy to see that. ZTE is working with operators to exploring ways to improve the efficiency and responding to the deployment of 5G. The benefit of these powerful networks will be known by the more and more operators to find.
Tell us a little bit more, Summer, about what ZTE is doing in this area. I mean, what new innovations do you have as a company? How are you going to work with operators to ensure that tomorrow's networks are going to be the most efficient that they can be?
We built a new type of green ICT digital base for future networks, based on the idea of simplicity, green tech, AI boost, industry empowerment. Simplicity means a precise network architecture and refined spectrum operations. It is effective integration of network architecture, precise planning, and the construction increase utilized rates of the spectrum and reduce the repeat investment in network construction. And more importantly, to reduce the energy consumption on the society level. Secondly, we emphasize the application of green technologies. ZTE focus on continuously innovation and upgrading the new power amplifier, new materials, and the new process to ensure efficiency. And ZTE process a brand new zero carbon energy network based on the concept of green, efficient, smart, and reliable. We concentrate on key technologies to provide our global customer with high quality, low carbon, and green energy solutions. So we have launched a Zico module data center using efficient refrigerator systems and AI tech that can save energy by 68%. For instance, the smart power saving solution for ZTE wireless network, you may heard the Power Pilot. It can realize a smart power saving based on traffic and services. Currently, the solution have been deployed in many cities across China. In Xi'an, the proportion of energy saving in all scenarios exceeds 20%. And in Tianjin, power pilot helps operators saving more than 4 million kilowatts per hour of electricity per year, which is equivalent to reduce carbon emission by more than 2,000 tons. Some operators have set ambition, but we are happy with these new innovations and with new solutions to get the target.
Yeah, you've outlined some of the many steps that ZTE is taking, Summer, and the mobile industry generally is very serious about its ambition to reach net zero carbon emissions by 2050. In fact, some mobile operators have set stronger timelines to achieve net zero emissions by 2025 or 2030. What do you think is the single biggest change that they can make to their operations to help achieve this goal?
We believe that operators need to implement the concept of green and low carbon in development and to maintenance based on our big data to control carbon footprint, because this is a system level project. Because the priority for the operators to reduce their carbon emission is their digital center and access networks. So we need to find the main challenges and to find exactly the solution. On the other hand, the operators should also facilitate their business partners and the other parts of the society and the economy to reduce emissions. Hence, building a new type of green ICT digital base is an important manner for their operators, maintenance, and operations to realize net zero emissions.
Well, this is arguably the biggest and most important topic in telecoms today. Summer, thank you very much for joining us and sharing your thoughts on how the industry can help achieve some of these very ambitious goals. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Justin.